Tavares Jordan.
What's going on, world? It's another episode of Open the Box there on your screen. I'm your host, George Kill, and I'm here in downtown Atlanta with my guy, George, man. I don't meet too many Georges. George is an old-fashioned name. So, George, what's going on, my man?
I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
So, George, tell me about Hype 24/7.
This is our new location. We've been here for about a year. We moved from our last location in North DeKalb Mall. We was there for a couple of years. For that move that occurred late 2019, I wasn't a part of that. It was actually my brother Douglas. Hype 24/7 is his boy's Khan. It's their dream. They spent the better part past 6 years building this up. In early 2020, right before all of this pandemic and whatnot started, Douglas flew down to New York as part of a business deal to meet up with somebody who he trusted, somebody who he went way back with. He's done many meetups and transactions with in the past. And turns out that meetup was a setup. Douglas was murdered. The case is still in progress. When that happened to Douglas, I felt obligated to step in as his brother, his older brother, and continue his legacy. So while I'm here today, as part of Hype 24/7.
I appreciate you sharing that, man. I know that's a hard thing to share, but props to you for carrying on his legacy, you and Khan. And that's why we're here today, man. Wanted to talk about where you guys are going and then, hear from Khan about, where you guys have been. So Hype 24/7, 2021, brand new location right here downtown. I mean, you guys are right by the Hawks, the Falcons, everything. What is that foot traffic like and how has that benefited you guys here?
Well, on a good day, warm weather, you get folks walking up and down all day, just peeking through the windows, checking out what's up. So naturally, they're gonna want to come in and see. But this location has been basically a godsend for us.
As far as the product you guys have, ATL is a big sneaker haven. What do you see fly off the shelves more than any other shoe?
It starts with Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s are always in style. Aside from that, you got your retro Jordans. People always love that, they come in. Other than that, we got our Yeezys. That's what everybody comes in for.
What about you, George? I see you over there with Travis Scott's on. What are you into?
I'm into Jordan 1s myself. That's what first caught my eye. And these right here, you can make it fit with anything.
Well, George, appreciate you, man, telling me about where you guys are going. Now I'm ready to hear about where you guys have been. All right, Khan, I definitely want to hear about where you and Douglas were going. How did Hype 24/7 start?
Me and Douglas, we met way back in 2014, 2015, which is about 6 years from now, through a transaction from the group ATTF, which is the buy-sell trade group. I ended up bought a shoe from him. Somehow, we still meet each other at sneaker release day and sneaker show. One day he told me that, hey, I thought about opening up a shop. Would you like to help me? I was surprised because he asked me that, and that was also my dream. Like every other high school kid, a dream about working in the shoe store. So yeah, I told him, yeah, I'll help you out. Just let me know if you need anything. And Hype 24/7 was officially open in 2017.
Now give me the significance of the name, Hype 24/7.
At first, it wasn't Hype 24/7, it was just Hype. Douglas, he felt that it's a little dry. He wanted to add something to it, so he came up with 24/7. A lot of people thought about 24/7 means we open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so it's not. It's just all about when you walk into the store, all you see is the hype, all you see is the heat, all you see is the rare sneakers or clothing that you couldn't find anywhere else.
Right. Now, I know you guys have some hype stuff, but you guys also have some rare shoes in here that you can't find in many other shops. So I'm gonna put you on the spot, man. Show me some of those rare shoes that we talked about previously.
Here we got the reverse Dave White sample, 1 of 23. They were on auction when they dropped the original Dave White. So we got the actual release pair of Dave White, and this is a sample pair of it. And it was hand painted. So the next one we got here from the case was the Nike Yeezy 2 Red October. This is where all the Yeezy hype started. A lot of crazy story about Kanye. He want Nike to drop the shoe, and Nike, they just suddenly drop on a Sunday. Nobody really expected. So he's another banger from Hype 24/7. It's a Freddy Krueger SB. And the story behind these is just crazy also, that Nike, they got into a lawsuit with the movie crew, and they end up like burning all the sneakers, but some employees, they took the risk that They took them out before they even got burned. So for this pair, you can still see the burn mark on the swoosh. We sold one pair to Offset, the rapper. Lucky I got a chance to catch up with another pair from the owner of Urban Necessities. Shout out to JC's. Another one is the Paris SB, which is going for a crazy price right now. So you can see them for 30,000 up to 50,000 to whoever want to pay a ridiculous price for it. And it was only about 200-ish pairs. And each pair was hand painted differently from the artist. Last one, and also it's the one we're famous for, the Back to the Future. This is the most viewed pair in the case that everybody comes to the shop, they always like take a picture or asking about it, how much for these going for. Are those a Back to the Future joint? Are they real? Yes, they're real.
So Khan, those are some heaters over there. What would you say is the rarest shoe that has come through this shop that's not up there?
We sold it, but it was the Canary Diamond SB, the yellow one, the Friends and Family, only 300 pairs. That was released in Complex Con in 2018, if I remember correct. Dewey just brought them in, and at first I would never expect somebody gonna bring that type of heater to the shop. And then we actually sold it.
Well, there you have it, downtown ATL. Tell people where they can find Hype 24/7.
You can find us right in downtown Atlanta at 138 Cone Street, and also on our website, hype2407.com, and Instagram also at hype2407. Or you can type YouTube, Hype 24/7.
Just in continuing my brother's footsteps, he wanted Hype to be the premier spot in Atlanta. Anybody coming to Atlanta, they have to come and visit us at Hype 24/7. We have one of the best selections. We have some of the best prices in the area. Well, when it's all said and done, we will be the store. And not just Atlanta, we'll also be coming to a city near you. Stay tuned.